So guys, ito na yung finished product natin guys. Ating ginagawa na speedboat. 12 feet lapad and 12 feet haba, 4 feet lapad ni. Muna design guys, practice ni guys. Ito itong sport car guys. Sa hindi naniniwala sa ating sport car mo ni guys. Design niya, design. Medyo nakalawang na yung plywood natin na sport car. Made in Philippines. Guys. Ito yung design guys. Twelve feet haba o 4 feet lapad. Muna yung luwang guys. Design guys. Pang outboard engine. Yung ilalim guys. Magkapantay lang siya. Ito yung upuan guys. From Alegria, Cebu. Una na tayo speedboat. Nga po tayo sport boat. Sport boat na to. Lambing ini. Lambing ini. Kulang sa lambing. Thank you for watching guys. Please like and subscribe and see you smile.